Hi, welcome to my channel. Some people reach out to me and requesting to make guide using English language because they cannot understand what I said in my last video. I understand that very well and here we are. But before that, please understand if my English is not that good because my first language is not even English. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing first, you gotta download two files from this GitHub, right? I will put the link in the description, so don't worry about that. So after you open this GitHub, you gotta scroll down and hit this release. Also, and this ACT as well. So you download this one zip files, and then you save it. And then after you save it, make sure you extract that files to wherever you want, wherever you like. Just extract it, and then you download this advanced combat tracker setup files and install it on your PC. Since I have both of them, so I don't need to download and install them again. After you install this, you open that using admin. You need to make sure you open this as admin to run this software as admin because it will requesting admin right actually. So after you open this, it will look like this. You gotta jump to plug in this one and then hit the get plugins button. Then you download this overlay plugin. You hit download and enable. After this pop up, and we just hit OK. Close this one, and then we hit this browse button, this little browse button, and then you take Neo ACT plugins from the one you extract folder. After you extract, it will looks like this, the folders, Neo ACT plugins, and then you hit add enable plugins. After these two, you gotta move to overlay plugin. You make new, so you can see the overlay, of course. So you can put name whatever you like. Just in case, I will just put whatever the preset you choose custom, and the type is mini parse because it's, you know, just parsing damage. We hit OK, and then you scroll a bit down on this URL. I will give this link in the description as well, so just copy paste this and then hit this. Make sure you checklist this and checklist enable overlay. If you didn't see the overlay like here, top left here, just hit reload overlay, and then you might want to force white background, so you can move this around to whatever you like. When you're done with moving, just uncheck this. Okay, so after you install both of them, you can just run the Blade and Soul Neo and just leave this out. You can just minimize this actually and just play the game, and it will just record just fine. So that's all about this video actually, and just the step. Also, please, if you have something to ask or request, just leave a comment below. Thank you. I'm out, and I'll see you in the next video.